I'm on my way to meet new clients today. Travis is a firefighter, and Jamie is a stay-at-home mom taking care of their 3 boys. They're looking for a total overhaul of their kitchen and living room.
I'm so excited to be
Welcome.
here.
We're so excited you're here.
Thank you.
Come on into our home here. There's a lot to do.
Yes. I like it. I like a challenge.
That's it.
All right, so tell me about this house. I know you guys bought it about 6 years ago?
7 years ago, yeah.
It was a short sale house, so it was beat up.
Okay.
So as you can see, it's horrible. Everything they did was just bad.
Yeah.
Just poor craftsmanship.
There's like a lot going on. There's a lot of different floorings going on. There's a lot of paint colors going on. Like the green. Was that here when you guys moved in?
No, we moved into a situation that wasn't ideal.
What we thought is in order to take your eye off of the crazy cabinetry and the crazy floor and the crazy counters is just let's splash some color on the walls.
You know what? I think it worked.
Yeah, that's right.
It worked.
Yeah, you don't even notice it at first because you're staring at a crazy green wall.
We really need to make this a beautiful space,
Yeah.
but that is also functional and durable. We have between $65,000 and $70,000 for our renovation. But one of the biggest obstacles that I'm gonna face is that I am paralyzed by decision making.
Whereas I am paid as a professional to make decisions. Quickly, I gotta make the decision right now.
It's actually a really big kitchen. I mean, it can be a huge space. Because,
Absolutely.
yeah, I just feel like the way that it was laid out, it was just not done properly. And especially this big wall here that could have been open.
Absolutely. It really closes us off from our living space.
What would be your perfect kitchen?
Mine is more rustic farmhouse.
Love it. It's my favorite.
Yeah, a lot of those distressed woods, the white, clean, bright, but not a lot of color.
My style would be more what I call functional firehouse. A functional firehouse. And
Scared to ask.
I'm a firefighter, right? And so in our firehouse in the station, we do cooking and cleaning, and everything needs to have a purpose. In my mind, in my perfect kitchen, we have a big range and a huge counter space, and I don't want to have any wasted space.
For sure, I would get rid of that entire
That
wall.
would be amazing.
So it feels more open in here.
Absolutely.
So I will have my contractor, Mike, come out and we'll figure out if this is load bearing. Regardless, the ultimate goal would be to put a large island. We could shift the pantry to right here.
Yeah.
We could put the fridge right here. All uppers and lowers right here. A large range with a hood.
Yeah.
Create a nice picture window. I feel like that'll also let more light in.
Oh, I love
and then
that.
just wide open to watch the kids play.
I
Yeah,
love
perfect.
that.
And since this will all be one open space, I can help you update the living and fireplace area so it's all cohesive.
Yeah.
It's gonna be great. Your
Cool.
boys are gonna love it too. Oh, wow. Looks so
Look
good.
at this.
I know, guys. You have an open floor plan.
I know.
Such a big difference already. We haven't even started.
I know.
I know.
Okay, let's do design.
Yay!
There are a couple design challenges here. Jamie wants clean and white, where Travis wants functional firehouse feel. And since Jamie has trouble making decisions, I only brought one backsplash sample, but you can lay it 2 different ways.
So I saw this backsplash and I thought it was really beautiful. I think it kind of incorporates both your guys' styles.
I'm a little concerned about the color.
It's great. How can that be too much of a color?
I tried to go really neutral.
I think it's great.
You like it?
Think, yeah. Like, would it go on the wall like this on the wall, or would it go vertical on the wall?
So I was thinking vertical. However, it could go horizontal too.
What do you think?
But why don't we revisit the backsplash?
Okay,
Let's look at everything
okay.
else.
All right. She'll need about a month to figure that one out.
For cabinets, I'm thinking white shaker,
I love that.
but I was thinking a colored island.
Yes. I think it's awesome.
I love it.
Yeah.
For countertops, white, but with a slight marble variation to it that I think really ties everything
I
together.
love that.
Yeah, it looks awesome.
I love it.
And for you, for a little firehouse functional, some chrome,
Yes.
chrome pulls.
This is absolutely firehouse functional right here.
Okay, so I know you guys got the boys running around and you want something super, super durable for flooring. So I grabbed vinyl flooring,
Oh.
which is the most durable.
And that'll go through the whole.
Yes, which is gonna look so nice in here to have
That'll
just
be
one
great.
flooring throughout.
Yes.
So, do you want me to keep looking for other backsplash options?
I would love to see a couple more things.
This is really common. It's a huge decision remodeling your house, so I totally get it. I'll bring a classic option that I know she'll love, and in the meantime, we're gonna keep moving forward with the cabinets and floors. Now that the kitchen is coming together, I have a vision for the living room. Instead of that big sectional they had in there, I'm thinking of making a few seating areas that will open to the dining room and kitchen. Casual and comfortable, something that will work for their young family. I also have some ideas for the fireplace to run by them.
Oh my gosh, it looks so much better.
So let's talk design.
Okay.
So I'm gonna keep it simple. So what I was thinking is we can do white subway tile. We could lay it in a herringbone pattern to give it more of a modern look.
Love it.
And do chrome edging that goes around it. So we carry the chrome over from the kitchen.
Okay.
I think you can never have enough chrome, but that's just me.
And then we could do kind of like more of a bulky wood mantle.
Which is more of that farmhouse feel that I like.
And I would suggest doing the same quartz counters in the kitchen on the hearth, the white.
Got it.
Sure.
I like
And-
that.
And we could also paint the firebox black and do some brand new wood, give it sort of a rustic look.
Perfect.
Love it.
Guys, we made a decision quickly.
Yes. I know, that was easy.
I know.
I know. Christina's here.
Hi.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Hello.
Oh my gosh, our kitchen looks huge.
Looks so good.
Yeah, look at the size of this island. It's
It
enormous.
is, it's a manly island. Okay, so we're moving along very quickly, so we really need to choose a backsplash today.
All right.
Okay, so here was
Okay,
the
that
original
the
one.
original. I mean, I don't hate it. I think it's unique.
But you don't hate it. That's not music to my ears.
I think it's great.
Well, it's the color is what's throwing me, I think.
So I brought you white subway tile.
Okay.
That seems way too white.
I kind of like it.
I feel like I'll be going, eating in a bus station.
And who doesn't want to do that?
Yeah, I know. That's boring. So
Okay.
convince me that this isn't too boring.
Okay, so your countertops are gonna have the gray veining in it. So I think that if we do gray grout or match the grout with the island
That looks so
to make it pop.
good.
Okay.
In the end, I think what we both want is for Jamie to love it and to not walk in and hate it. I think you, on the other hand, you're
that's
gonna
true.
walk in and be like, this looks nice.
I mean, obviously, I want her to be happy first and foremost. Let's go for it.
All right, there's no going back now. Are you sure?
You know I love you.
No, I'm not sure.
Oh, no.
Christina, it looks so
Look
good.
at
Oh my gosh, the gray and the white and the gray veining.
It looks so good.
And your two posts that you called out, it's perfect.
It makes it look custom.
It looks great.
So excellent decision.
What are you thinking about the white subway?
Okay, well, I did want to talk about it.
Oh.
Now that it's up, I just don't love it. I feel like it doesn't, I don't know, it seems way too white. Is it too late to change it?
I intentionally showed her a small part of the wall completed before we went on to the rest of the kitchen, just in case this would happen.
We already bought all the material, so there would be like a restocking fee.
Well, okay, I could definitely take the material. We have a lot of flips going on. I could always use a white subway,
Okay,
so don't
cool.
worry about that.
Okay. Well, what do you think?
I think the gray backsplash
I
would
don't
be
know.
awesome, especially with its unique shape.
I don't know.
I think the gray is gonna look amazing. I think you're gonna be really happy with it. I think it scares you a little bit, but I think it's gonna look incredible in
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
And
do
then
it.
which way do you guys want to do the hex?
Oh my gosh, really?
Can you come back in a week?
Okay, this is good because then it can help me visualize how it would look, and I'm not thrilled with it. I think I want to go vertical.
Okay.
Cool.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna get it ordered.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
I hope you love it.
It looks so good.
Okay, good. It looks
So good.
beautiful.
Okay, I'm sorry I ever doubted your recommendation.
No worries.
It looks great,
It
Mike.
looks so
Nice.
good.
Yeah, it ties
really
in
good.
the island and everything. It's perfect.
And I love too that we went with the vertical. I think it looks
Yeah.
really good.
Look at us. We are moving and shaking.
like it.
All right.
I brought a little something for you guys.
Ooh, nice.
Oh, what is this?
So I saw this and I loved it, and it's also, I think, firehouse functional.
Wow.
Oh, it's a light.
Yeah, that's awesome. That reminds me of the old fire bell it used to ding. Ding, 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 ding.
Do you like it?
I do like it.
So we are getting very close to being done.
I am so tired of living in the RV. We may be in the final stretch, but it cannot finish soon enough. We're really hoping it'll be done in the next day or two. Our biggest.
Do you want these playset or just randomly?
Oh, just random.
Okay.
It feels so good to have Jamie and Travis's project done.
I heard that lid.
Are you speechless? Like good speechless or bad?
Wow.
The tension's killing me.
Yeah, it looks awesome, incredible.
This is amazing,
Yeah.
honey. It's our home.
This is really, really good.
It's so amazing, Christina. Thank you so much.
You're so welcome.
Yeah, this is beautiful.
I love it.
This is one of the biggest kitchens that I've done, and it doesn't feel like that would have even been possible. Like if you would see the before and after of this kitchen, you would think, where did all this space come from?
I know.
It
I know.
is a
You
monster.
literally put an island in here that's like the size, half the size of the house.
I know.
And this place is still huge.
Christina, this backsplash.
I know that one made you really nervous, and we almost went with a white subway.
Yeah, I know.
Oh,
I know.
what a terrible mistake.
We
that
tried the
would've
white
been.
subway failed experiment.
And the chrome looks
Amazing.
super cool.
I know.
It really does.
Yeah, this is the functional firehouse that I was looking for, and it's beautiful.
We had so much wasted space before, and now it's all very functional, usable space.
It looks awesome.
And
It's the
espe-
perfect design.
And the bench, too,
Yeah.
will be so good for the kids.
Yeah, kids love the bench. So what do you think about this mantle?
Oh, my gosh.
It is so good.
This is perfect.
She spends a lot of time here alone, with the kids. I am away on fires and away at work, and so it really means a lot to me to know that you're gonna be happy and healthy and safe and that you're proud.
That's beautiful.
Thank you.
I feel like every guy needs to be listening to this right now.
It makes me so happy to know that Jamie and Travis are happy with the design. It's such a beautiful and functional space for their family.